But I think as you unpack GDPR and look at that balance of privacy and trust going hand in hand, some of the frameworks around the idea of not just what they call PII information. We say, swallow your PII pill, but it's things like contextual information that count in this. And so when we think about contextual information, it might be an IP address, it might be location data, so the Waze example that Ben talked about. And what that really gets into is there's data and then there's metadata. And in the world of the code halo, where effectively we are every move that we make is not just, hey, I posted, pictures of my family or I made a comment on Facebook, but it is the metadata about us. So that context, I think, is a lesson from GDPR that is also going to be put into the mix, the algebra, if you like, of data protection and privacy. And there's a whole raft of other things within GDPR legislation that will inform how that regulation plays out and informs trust. And we say in the white paper, one of the things to look at on the slippery slope is the absence of trust will lead to antitrust. And so for the big companies of the world, at the end of the day, that is clearly an existential factor that they're going to need to be cognizant of.